What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining the channel. Today, it's gonna be a good day. We got IV88 Range Day. Let's actually fix the lens because I had there we go. We got IV88 Range Day today. Last night we had a dinner where we hung out with literally everybody. I got to see some of my friends I haven't seen in probably at least 2 years. It was a good time. Had some cigars, hung out with some people. It's gonna be a bang of a range day. We got some great people we're gonna see, so stay along with this vlog. This is the official 2023 IV8888 Range Day vlog. Staying in a nice cabin on the lake with John Crump, DLD After Dark, Flying Rich, and I think Coda Boy 32 is actually staying with us tonight. So it's gonna be a good time. I can't wait. We had a good 9-hour ride. We have about 20 minutes. We gotta go meet Walter Keller, Safety Harbor Firearms for breakfast, and and Chuck of Alaska Ballistics as well. So guys, all those channels, make sure you're following them. Hopefully they're gonna be rolling through this vlog through the day. We're gonna be shooting some machine guns, some suppressors, some handguns, anything in between. It's gonna be a fun time, so please stay tuned and be ready. It's gonna be a good day. So we are driving to go get Walter because we decided not to call him on our way to breakfast, and now we're backtracked. We're going back to go get him. So yeah, it's a great start to the great morning. What do you think, Rich?
Yeah, we drive. That's what we do.
We're driving. We're gonna be shooting
or the car's driving.
Yeah, the car's driving. That's just. We almost died yesterday, but
once.
It was just once. You know, it happens. But it's a beautiful countryside right now. I love this part of. We're actually in South Carolina still, and
back in South Carolina.
Yeah, we're back in South Carolina. So you know, now we're taking the turn to go get Walter. We're thinking we might have to change up where we're gonna get breakfast because we were gonna go somewhere, and now we're like, I could use some hash browns.
Oh, so since we're vlogging this, we can say what we're doing.
Yeah. What are we doing? Oh, we're going to Iraq Veteran Range Day. That's what we're doing.
Yep.
As you just saw in the previous cutscene, I had a great time last night. We all, Rich was, schmoozing with everybody.
Got to get the schmooze in.
Yeah, you got to get the schmooze in, He's tired.
Oh yeah, I'm wrecked. Totally wrecked. I was wrecked last night, but it was good seeing everybody. I definitely, driving for 13 hours is a no-go for the future. I definitely got to trade off and let you guys drive.
Oh yeah, definitely. But it was a good time. Stopped at Buc-ee's. It was delicious.
I got a beaver picture.
Yeah, he got a beaver picture with the beaver. I declined that.
I wasn't going to turn that down. I never turned down beaver.
Hi, Bob, get over here. Look who we found.
Oh, hi.
I know. Bob, Gideon Optics.
Hi, guys. It's fantastic to see Shooting Gallery official once again.
I know. And if you use code JOJU, save 10% off your entire order at GideonOptics.com.
That is correct.
I just fucked up the entire website.
Perfect.
Alright, we're at Kings of Camo here at IV88 Range Day. They do some amazing colors and patterns. Got a nice scorpion. Got the Vector. We got almost like was that like a Borderlands kind of paint job?
Borderlands. You hit it right on the nose.
I was gonna say, yeah, that looks absolutely amazing.
SIG P320 on a Strike Industry chassis. Everything on it is striked all the way up.
Oh,
which was the inspiration for our newest shirt.
Their new shirt. Check it out.
All 3 calibers, just 45.
So the one we have up there is our 9mm. I think they're working on making all 3 calibers, but for right now, it'll be mainly probably 9 and 45.
So sometimes they have this things that are inside. Maybe we have 2 units.
Now, you guys bringing in or making a 10mm at all?
10 mil?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have several.
Okay.
So we've got the D10. So this is the original D10. Comes with the LVA sights. So we have a new version that's got fiber optic sights on it.
Okay.
Just because we had some people didn't really like that, so came out with the fiber optics. And then on the Night Stalker, we have this in 45, 9mm, and 10mm.
Oh, 10mm? All right. Yeah, great.
Nobody fires until the cannon goes off. Rock and roll, get ready to go. Everybody ready? Rock and roll, get ready. We're about to go hunt at the sound of the cannon.
Gary.
RSOs, get on the right. Get on the left. In the center. At the sound of cannon, we're going to proceed to unleash hell. At the sound of the cannon, we're gonna go freaking ape shit!
Wow, that's smooth. Wow.
Yeah, all the way down is full up.
All the way down?
There you go, rock and roll.
John Lovell was here. The Gideon's over here.
Yep. Where they running?
And guys, that is gonna wrap up today's vlog. It's actually the next day. Yesterday we spent all day driving home. IV88 Range Day 2023 was a blast. I got to see a lot of my good friends. I shot some amazing guns. I even shot for the first time a full auto AK-47. So big shout out to Century Arms for having one out there. I unfortunately didn't get that on video because by the time I got to that point, my battery died, and man, I was beat. Sun was hot. It was a blast. I got to see some amazing friends like Hungry Handgunner, or he now goes by the Archetype of Man on YouTube. Check him out. Met up with Mr. Big Kid, all the Black Diamond Guns and Gear guys. I actually got to meet Pat RMG for the first time. So I was able to just hang out with the guys. Had a great time hanging out with Crump, DLD After Dark, Flying Rich, and Walter Keller of Safety Harbor Firearms. Guys, go check all these people out. That's gonna wrap it up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We got a 3,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. Stay safe, stay shooting. I love you guys. Peace.